What's going on, guys? Today we have a brand new video. I hope you all are having a good new year. I know I am. In today's video, we'll be headed to a Cars and Coffee hosted by Out of the Office Garage. Let's get right into it. So I'm trying to get that content already. Where are we at, Moy?
We're in Detroit.
No, we're not. We're not in Detroit. We're in Birmingham.
Here we are.
We're all the way in Birmingham.
Oh, because of ski mask?
It's odd, but I'm actually a suburban dude.
Suburban dude. These cars I got inside though is real nice. They got a real nice setup in here. All these spaces are available for rent.
I'm the GOAT type shit.
Oh, you're the GOAT? You're the GOAT? Amway the GOAT. He said, world is yours, Amway 2023. He said, I dropped it off at the printer store and they said $25 they get it done, eh?
Hell no.
10 bucks. A hell of luxury cars in here, bro.
Actually, the paint up, so I'm not doing it.
He said the paint's up. In the Bentley. Ferraris. Someone's Tesla. He said keep it clean for the winter, eh? No, that's a pet. I'll give it to him. Carbon. I don't know about y'all, but I like the Audis. They're clean. Hella Porsches lined up. This green one's mean, man. Carbon fiber hood. One day, y'all. I didn't even see this in the back corner. It's GT. Oh my. Come over here, Ken. You gotta tell the vlog you don't want to get food.
Not that I don't want to get food. It's just I don't know, bro. I don't even have.
You never want to get food.
You don't have no money.
What if we split the check? Split the check.
Or you pay for it.
No. I thought I'll split your check. I'll split your check. You only pay for half your food.
Why we can't go somewhere that's by here? Why we gotta go always?
My friend owns it and it's good and it's cheap.
Exactly. We're supporting a locally owned friend business
And
here.
it's cheap and it's
Does that
good.
mean we have to go there every day? I mean, every time?
Lucky bunch.
Do we have to go there all the time?
We didn't go there all the
No,
time.
but we promoted it in his video. We got promoted in my video now.
We didn't even go there all the time. Why is he lying?
Exactly. I went there once.
We went last week, obviously, because we were in the area, same Birmingham.
I might go.
Come on. He's coming.
might go.
He's coming.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all will see. Y'all have to. Over here, they got this little 360 platform, Ferrari on it. Peanut butter guts. That classic Ferrari colorway. You like these Ferraris?
I love this car, bro. And it's like I didn't like it at first. It took some time for me to for it to grow on me. But this in roadster form.
I like the hood. The side vents are cool. I don't like the back end.
I think
Like straight on back end, you know? The vents are nice right here. It's just the tail lights. I don't
like this. Whatever. Like the
they look like Camaro taillights. It's just L's for me. Everything else, I like it.
Would you buy one?
No, too much money, bruh.
Too much bait.
I'd rather buy some cheap fun.
Too much bait. What about this? How you feel about these two?
These are nice, bro. Listen, Maseratis I feel like are cheap. I would drive this Bentley or not, Aston Martin.
That's a super.
Yeah, this is Aston Martin, yeah. I would drive this. I don't know if I would pay for it. A 2-box Manos. I think the one up top's an S, fully carbon. Everybody wrapping it up right now. Everybody headed out. We're gonna go head to brunch soon, and we'll catch y'all back there. Just as we were leaving, this pulled up as well. Golf painted.
Let's buy one.
I don't know if it's a turbo or not.
That's my answer for everything. Let's buy one.
911. Please, no photos of my car, please.
Oh yeah, no photos of your car.
Bro, every time.
Cars and Coffee's over. Me and a few other YouTubers are about to go hit Lucky Brunch out in Sterling Heights, get some food. cookies.
Don't know what y'all want to
I don't know what I'm about to get.
You know what was a bad purchase?
What was the bad purchase?
GoPro?
No, the bad purchase. Listen. Look at
No.
Look at no. I
No.
paid. Look what you bought. Look what you bought. To go.
I show love. $10.
go.
I bought it, guys. I bought a Sprite to give her a $10 tip.
Cause what happened? Why'd you have to tip? Cause two real people.
He didn't tip her. I'll pay for a tip.
No, cause I paid. Cause he said if I pay for the food that he would tip her.
$10 tip.
And then you just got a free meal. So.
Today.
Yep.
I needed that.
That's why he came.
Okay.
If you guys like the content from this weekend, drop a comment down below and let me know. Also, let me know what else you guys would like to see. I got a lot planned, a lot coming.